Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use Todoist for event planning, your complete 2025 guide. First things first, we'll set up a new project. In Todoist, everything starts with a project. So, go to the left sidebar and click on the plus icon next to Projects. Name it something related to your event, like Fundraiser 2025. This is the starting point for your planning and organization. The reason we do this is Todoist is a project-based tool. By creating a project specifically for your event, you keep all related tasks and subtasks in one place. It's like having a dedicated folder for your event planning. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. Tasks are the heart and soul of Todoist. They are the actionable steps you need to take to make your event a success. Click on the plus button at the bottom of your project page and start adding tasks. You could add tasks like book the venue, confirm speakers, or send out invitations. This helps us because by breaking down your event into smaller, manageable tasks, everything becomes less overwhelming. Each task is a step towards your big event, and Todoist helps you keep track of those steps. Next up, we'll assign dates to our tasks. Todoist's calendar function is a lifesaver when it comes to event planning. Click on the calendar icon next to each task and choose a due date. Todoist will then remind you when each task is due. Let me explain why this matters. Event planning is all about timing. Assigning dates to your tasks ensures you'll complete everything on time and nothing will be left to the last minute. Lastly, let's use the labels and filters feature. Labels help you categorize your tasks, like venue, catering, or entertainment. Filters allow you to view tasks by their labels. So, if you want to see everything related to catering, just apply that filter. Here's what's happening behind the scenes with this step. Labels and filters help you organize your tasks based on their category. This way, you can focus on one aspect of your event at a time, making planning more efficient. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to planning an amazing event using Todoist. Remember, the key to successful event planning is organization, and Todoist is a powerful tool to help you stay on top of everything. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.